In the past video, we reviewed the cognitive consequences of culture mixing. In this video, I will discuss the evaluative consequences of culture mixing. That is, how much people like or dislike culture mixed stimuli. People often react negatively to culture mixed stimuli, driven by feelings of cultural contamination. We refer to this reaction as an exclusionary response to culture mixing. However, people can also be open to culture mixing and embrace culture mixed stimuli because of their novelty and creativity. We refer to this as an integrative response to culture mixing. For instance, as a Venezuelan, one of the most iconic products for Venezuelan is arepas. The arepa is a bread-like food freshly baked using corn flour, which is stuffed with a variety of ingredients, such as cheese, pork, beef, or fish. In Venezuela, arepas are eaten as a main dish for breakfast or dinner, or as a side dish for lunch. It is a basic staple for Venezuelans and carries a very strong cultural meaning due to associations with family values and the nurturing relationships fostered in the collectivistic Venezuelan culture. Although arepas are stuffed with almost any imaginable thing, including fish, for most Venezuelans, it would be very unappealing to stuff arepas with sushi, for example, the traditional Japanese food that combines seafood, vegetables, and meat, usually fish, as this would be likely perceived as the contamination of a traditional cultural icon with a foreign ingredient. Furthermore, the negative reaction is likely to be a gut-feeling response that is spontaneous and reflexive. On the other hand, integrative responses to culture mixing are often goal-oriented reactions geared toward problem-solving. They tend to be relatively slower than the exclusionary ones discussed earlier and more effortful in their nature. Inclusionary reactions imply acceptance, integration, and synthesis of cultural meanings.